Hi everyone, happy Friday. I apologize because I've said that I was going to share with you a video per day, but when life give you lemons, what do? You just come and make cocktails. This is the life of an entrepreneur. Sometimes you have to bounce back, you have to juggle different things, and that didn't allow me to share with you yesterday, but today I have two cocktails for you. So you will get the 5 recipes that I promised. Today I'm going to use first our Golden Star tea, which is a blend of sencha green tea, starfruit, orange, and some other fruits in the blend. It's really delicious. It's really refreshing. Very good for, especially for this weather. This is starfruit, and this is all I could get for you. I tried. I went to 5 different stores where I've seen this fruit in the past, but none of them had it. So no luck for me in having the real fruit, but the tea has starfruit pieces, orange, as I said, some pieces of pineapple, and the sencha green tea. So the recipe that I'm gonna make is a starfruit paloma. I tried this in one of my trips to Central America and it was delicious. And I wanted to make this for you today. So you take a small mason jar and put some salt on the rim of the glass. I'm using some, oops, I think I put it too much, pink Himalayan salt, and put some ice cubes in the glass. Perfect. Then here in the shaker, I have 1 teaspoon of agave, 4 ounces of my tea, 1.5 ounces of tequila, and a little bit of ice as well. I'm going to squeeze to a little bit of lime, just a tiny bit. And you shake it. This morning I got the juice from my blouse. All right. Now you pour in your glass. And top it just with a little bit of sparkling water. All right. I have some lemon to decorate. And here's your starfruit paloma. This is the first one. And let's move this on the side. The next cocktail that I'm really excited about is cherry bomb. And I'm using coffee cherry tea. I'm going to put it a little bit closer. I don't know if you can see it, but you can definitely see it on our website. And this is nothing else than the fruit, the coffee fruit. Now it's popular in some farms in the producing countries to treat this byproduct in a different way. For many, many years, it produced a lot of pollution. Farmers didn't know what to do with that. Now they do compost and also they dry it so it can be used to produce some flour, to add it to some energy drinks, bars, or sell it like dry fruit that you can use for tea or for other drinks. So this is how we have it in our website as well. For this cocktail, it's very easy. You need some ice cubes in your old-fashioned glass. And you use 28 grams of tea and 150 grams of water. I did it previously and I used also 1 teaspoon of agave in the tea when it was hot and then I let it cool down. I have here it is. Then I put some ginger ale. I'm gonna use this one here. 1 ounce of vodka, This is delicious by itself. I mean, I'm making cocktails, but if you want to make it as a mocktail, just the coffee cherry tea with the ginger ale, a little bit of lemon is perfect and it's delicious. Then you top it with your tea. Sprinkle a little bit of lime and decorate with a lime. This orange for a little too big. Let's see if I can use it. Didn't count, the glass was a little bit smaller. But basically, here is your cherry bomb with coffee cherry tea and your Starfruit Paloma with our golden star tea and with our coffee cherry tea. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you tried all the cocktails. If you have suggestions or ideas, if you like them at home, please let us know. And we will have more videos next month, but with coffee. Thank you so much for watching and have a great weekend.